Hello YouTubers, this is an unboxing video of the Amazon Basics 15.6-inch laptop computer and table shoulder bag carrying case. It is colored black and as I said, the size is to fit a notebook the size of 15.6 inches in size. This bag is going to be replacing the previous bag that I had that was compatible with a 14-inch notebook computer. As I got myself a ThinkPad Extreme Generation 2, which is 15.6 inches in size. It does fit on my previous bag, but it fits very tight, and I'm afraid that some of the corner beads are going to get damaged because the bag is just too small. So as you can see here, the bag from Amazon Basic, it comes in a neat packaging as always from Amazon, and I'm now going to remove the plastics and the rest of the other packaging, and so that you can have an idea in case that you are doing a search for this bag, you can have an idea of how it looks like, how it feels. The price of this bag is $21.84 at Amazon, and it is very affordable compared to other name brands out there. So if you're in the need and the search for a laptop computer bag of the 15.6 inch size, this may be the deal for you. So I'm gonna do the measurements here, and that's the branding there from Amazon. That's for the bag. I would assume that's for when going to the airport. It tucks into the luggage thing. So the measurements so that you can have an idea, just like the description says, it's 15.6, almost 16 inches in length from side to side. As far as the width, there you have an idea. You can make your own conclusions. And as far as thickness, it's approximately a little bit over 2 inches in thickness. And it has multiple compartments to put folders, office things, notebooks, and any other, you know, sort of supplies that you carry. In my case, I do carry a lot of gadgets like memory cards, pencils, my headsets, the AirPods, the computer charger, and you can fit all these neat things. I also have an additional bag where I keep electronics with me so they don't come apart, they don't fly off. And a couple of other things that I put in there, such as a personal folder, and this is the shoulder strap. It comes neatly packaged as well, and the shoulder strap, from what I understand, is adjustable. The I wouldn't know what the dimensions are, but average size, I'm a 5'8". I'm 5'8" tall, and when I try it on, you're gonna have an idea what you know what the bag would look like. So here is the bag connected to the shoulder strap, and that's how it looks, guys. That's how the bag looks. So now I'm going to undock my ThinkPad Extreme Generation 3, and I'm gonna put it in the bag so that you can physically see how it fits. So this is the fitting of the computer. It does not fit completely flush. It is the bag is just a little. There's room. There's a little bit of room left, like about half an inch of room left. That's if you want to grab it by the hands with the two little ear tips things. And this is how the bag looks like. It's very neatly. The material feels very soft, and it is weatherproof if I'm not mistaken. But I wouldn't put it under the rain just to be on the safe side. But just in case, a couple of sprinkles, I don't think it's gonna hurt. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna give you like a view, a walking view of the bag. So here I am carrying the shoulder strap, guys. So you have an idea how the bag would look on you. Here I am carrying the shoulder strap again. On this pose, I'm carrying the hand strap, and so the bag looks. So thank you again, everyone. If you do like the content that I produce, that I put out there, do hit a like and subscribe to my channel, Cosi Volca Tech. And as I have said in previous videos, I'm going to be trying to be posting content almost every week on a weekly basis. Thank you again, YouTubers, and happy New Year.